Rain's back. Crazy days in the Northwest. I don't know what all your guys' weather is like, but Peter said pouring all day long, and sure looked like pouring all day long. I'll bet if I look off in the distance, there's big old gray clouds there, but for a brief break, and then getting sun and rain at the same time. Look at that. A little bit of sun and everybody decides they want to go outside for a flying lesson. Girls flying all over. Yeah. Not so much the slatted rack down there. Or the slatted rack here. I think they take longer to warm up, would be my guess. See, they're starting to come out. Maybe they don't see the light as much because it's a little more separated from them. Honeybees never cease to amaze me. What we got going on? Some dead bees. Oh, sun's going away. Rainbow's gone. Looks like they enjoyed their little bit of sun. Blessed days. It's raining, it's pouring. I hope my bees are snoring. I bet I have wet dogs somewhere. Good morning, everyone. Hey, look at this. It's raining. It's raining very hard. Big raindrops. This is why I built bee shelters. I get so much rain. That little pond that's down there, it'd be pretty cool if we clear out those trees, you could see it. But in the winter, it gets pretty good size. The rain. Our gutters get overwhelmed. And it's raining good. The whole county, part of the county is under flood warning, actually. It's kind of funny. You gotta live on a hill. Have a blessed Lord's Day. Bye.